Good morning, students. Yes, in today's lecture, I am going to explain the word problems that is based on time and work. And this is the last type of word problems of your third chapter. Before it, we had discussed word problems based on upstream and downstream speeds. Now, this is also a word problem of exercise 3.6 that is based on time and work. There are some particular rules to solve word problems based on time and work. Firstly, let's read its statement. 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days. 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days. Means 2 women और 5 men जो हैं वो मिलकर के एक काम को 4 days में finish कर रहे हैं. Where 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Means वही same work जो है 3 women और 6 men मिलकर के 3 days में finish कर रहे हैं. Find the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work and also that time taken by one man alone. We want to find the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work. Means वो woman अकेले कितने टाइम में उस वर्क को फिनिश कर पाएगी और वो मैन भी जो है उस काम को अकेले किस टाइम में फिनिश कर पाएगा. So as usual, firstly we will suppose which we want to find. So what we want to find, time taken by one woman to finish the work and time taken by one man to finish the work. So we suppose that let the time taken by one woman to finish the work is equals to x days and the time taken by one man to finish the work is equals to y days. वन वुमेन जो है वो किसी वर्क को एक्स डेज में फिनिश कर लेती है और वन मैन जो है वो किसी वर्क को वाई डेज में फिनिश कर लेता है. देन इफ दिस वुमेन फिनिश द वर्क इन एक्स डेज, देन व्हाट अबाउट हर वन डे वर्क. सपोज फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ वी कैन फिनिश एनी वर्क इन 2 days, then what will be our one day work? So out of total work, half work we will do in one day and half work we will do in second day. अगर हम किसी वर्क को 2 days में कंप्लीट कर रहे हैं तो इट मीन्स हाफ वर्क हम 1 day कर रहे हैं और हाफ वर्क सेकेंड डे कर रहे हैं, तो वो वर्क कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. नाउ सम ऑफ यू विल थिंक दैट हम ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि 1/4 1 day कर ले और 3rd 4th सेकेंड डे कर ले. बट जो एक हम एक्चुअल में लेकर चलते हैं कि अगर हम एक्स डेज 2 days में फिनिश कर रहे हैं तो हाफ 1 day करेंगे और हाफ डे नेक्स्ट डे करेंगे तो हमारा वर्क कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. सिमिलरली हेयर हाफ, यानी कि अगर वो वर्क 2 days में फिनिश हो रहा है, if that work is finishing in 2 days, then what about 1 day work? That will be 1/2 because अगर 2 days में finish हो रहा है तो 1 day में कितना वर्क हो रहा है? हाफ वर्क. हाफ that means 1/2. जितने days में finish हो रहा था उसका हमने क्या ले लिया? रेसिप्रोकल. अगर कोई वर्क 3 days में फिनिश हो रहा है तो 1/3 1 day करेंगे, 1/3 सेकेंड डे, 1/3 थर्ड डे, तो 1/3 प्लस 1/3 प्लस 1/3 3/3 दैट मीन्स इज इक्वल्स टू 1 यानी कि हमारा टोटल वर्क है. तो टोटल वर्क हम उसको 1 लेकर चल रहे हैं. If we are completing any work in 4 days, then 1 day work 1/4, second day work 1/4, third day work 1/4, fourth day work 1/4. In this way, when we will add 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 4 times, then we will get is equals to 1 our complete work. तो it means कोई भी वर्क जितने डेज में फिनिश हो रहा है तो 1 day वर्क उसका क्या हो जाता है? रेसिप्रोकल. So now here the time taken by one woman to finish the work x days. So what will be one woman's 1 day work? That will be equals to 1 upon x. And the time taken by one man to finish the work, y days. Then what will be one man's 1 day work? That is equals to 1 upon y. Now let's we write conditions. What is given first condition? 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days. 2 women और 5 men का जो वर्क है that finish in 4 days. तो टोटल वर्क कितने डेज में फिनिश करते हैं? 4 डेज में. So what about 2 women's 1 day work and 5 men's 1 day work? 2 women and 5 men together finish an embroidery work in 4 days. 4 days में अपना वर्क वो फिनिश कर रहे हैं. तो 1 day वर्क क्या हो जाएगा? 1/4 हो जाएगा. जैसे वो फिनिश कर रहे थे x डेज में, तो 1 day वर्क क्या लिया था? 1 upon x. 1 मैन का 1 day वर्क क्या लिया था आपने? 1 upon y. अगर वो y डेज में फिनिश कर रहा था, तो अब 2 वीमेंस का 1 day वर्क और 5 मेंस का 1 day वर्क जो है वो 1/4 हो जाएगा, बिकॉज दे फिनिश दैट वर्क in 4 days. Okay. Now what about 2 women's 1 day work? 1 women's 1 day work 1 upon x. तो 2 women's 1 day work 2 into 1 upon x हो जाएगा. And 5 men's 1 day work that will be equals to 5 into 1 upon y. 1 women's 1 day work 1 upon x. तो 2 women's 1 day work 2 into 1 upon x. 1 man's 1 day work 1 upon y. Then 5 men's 1 day work 5 into 1 upon y. That is equals to 1 upon 4. You can write directly also 1 women's 1 day work 1 upon x. So 2 women's 1 day work will be 2 upon x. And 5 men's 1 day work will be 5 upon y. If in this side we are writing their 1 day work, so this side we will also write their 1 day work. And what is their total 1 day work? 1 upon 4. You can write these two, or either you can write this directly also. So this will be your first equation. Okay, I am repeating it. 1 women's 1 day work 1 upon x. 1 man's 1 day work is 1 upon y. And it is given that 2 women and 5 men finish an embroidery work in 4 days. तो हम यहाँ 1 day वर्क, दिस इज द केस ऑफ टाइम एंड वर्क. किसी भी टाइम एंड वर्क की प्रॉब्लम्स को अगर हमें सोल्व करना है, देन फर्स्टली फाइंड देयर 1 day वर्क, 1 hour वर्क. इफ वी फिनिश एनी work in some hours, then firstly we will find their work for 1 hour. Here we are finishing that work in days, so firstly we will find their work in 1 day. So 2 women's 1 day work 2 into 1 upon x. 5 men's 1 day work will be 5 into 1 upon y. That is equals to 1 upon 4. So it will be 2 upon x plus 5 upon y is equals to 1 upon 4. Similarly, we write second equation. Second condition we have given that 3 women and 6 men finish the work in 3 days. They finish the work in 3 days, but what we will find their 1 day work. So what will be 3 women's 1 day work, 6 men's 1 day work? That will be equals to 1 upon 3. इनका टोटल वर्क और 6 मैन का जो टोटल वर्क है वो 3 डेज में फिनिश होता है. तो 1 day work of 3 women and 1 day work of 6 men. So if we are writing here 1 day work, तो here we will also write their 1 day work. यानी कि वो 3 days में अगर वर्क को फिनिश कर रहे हैं तो वो 1 day में वर्क का इतना पार्ट कर पाएंगे. वो मिल करके 3 days में फिनिश कर रहे हैं, तो उन दोनों का मिल करके जो 1 day वर्क होगा वो क्या होगा? 1/3. as I have told you earlier that if we are finishing any work in 3 days में finish कर रहे हैं तो 1/3 part आज करेंगे, 1/3 part कल करेंगे और 1/3 part उससे next करेंगे. Therefore, similarly here they both are taking 3 days to finish the work. तो उनका 1 day work of women's and 1 day work of men's that will finish in 1 day 1/3. So what is women's 1 day work? 1/x. So what will be 3 women's 1 day work? 3 into 1/x. Men's 1 day work 1/y. 6 men's 1 day work 6 into 1/y. That is equals to 1/3. That means 3/x plus 6/y is equals to 1/3. This is a second equation. And first equation was this: 2/x plus 5/y is equals to 1/4. Second is 3/x plus 6/y is equals to 1/3. So can you solve it by proper substitution? Put 1/x is equals to u, 1/y is equals to v, and then solve it for x and y. You will find x value and y value, so that will give you a man take time to finish the work and what is the time taken by one woman to finish the work. And with this all type of word problems are completed. So for today's homework you can complete your exercise 3.6. We have discussed all type of problems. There are total 3 types of word problems in this exercise and we had completed those type of word problems. Okay, so you have to complete today your exercise 3.6 and with it 2-3 more sums you will get based on this time and work problem. And with it our third chapter is completed. So revise this chapter complete. If you have any problem then you can ask that problem. After that I will send a worksheet for test. So you will do that test with honesty. Okay, bye bye.